Hello guys, welcome back to JS series. Okay, so last lecture we discussed about variables, and in this video we will also discuss about variables and another topic about command sections. Okay, so like first name, okay, like you can say Watson. Now we want to print this one, right? Console dot log. Okay, first name. So and now we need to save. Control plus S and it will be saved. And now we need to open it in the browser. Let's open. Okay, it was in my disk. Here is a folder basic, and now open it on. And you will be clicked on the right, there will be a inspect element. Okay, it's better using the Chrome, but we will use simple, so it is also okay. Okay, so you can see there, here's person, and here can we also press, like we already defined X and there will be X 12. Okay, and name. Okay, sorry, name and name John. Okay, so that was very simple. And now we talk about commands. Okay, there are two types of commands in JavaScript. First of all, this is a single line command. Okay, double slashes, and this will be a single line command, and browser will be not read this one. And okay, now it's mean just for better understanding code we need to write this one. Okay, and another one is a multiple line. Okay, slash and asterisk. Okay, you can write everything. Okay, like this is the multi line code. Okay, so simple. And now close it. So that was very basic about our command sections. And so this was simple commands, and in this okay, so we will talk about more another lecture in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like videos. Also, don't forget to give me your precious suggestion in the comment section. I would love to hear about your suggestions. Okay, have a nice day. Meet in the next video.